Hi guys, in this video you will learn what is Notion. Notion is an all-in-one digital workspace that has gained significant popularity for its versatility and wide range of features. Positioned as a powerful tool for personal and team productivity, Notion combines note-taking, project management, database organization, and collaboration functionalities into a single platform. The seamless integration of diverse functions has made it a favorite among individuals, students, professionals, and business alike. At its core, Notion functions as a note-taking application, allowing users to create and organize notes in a structure. However, it goes far beyond traditional note-taking apps by enabling users to create different types of content blocks within notes. These blocks can be include text, headings, images, checklists, code snippets, and more. This modular approach enables users to structure their information in a dynamic and interactive manner. One of the Notion's standout features is its ability to create databases. Users can design custom databases with various templates, transforming Notion into a powerful information management tool. These databases can be used for project tracking, CRM, knowledge management, task lists, and more. The flexibility of databases allows users to tailor them to their specific needs, fostering efficient organization and retrieval of information. And that is Notion. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.